Okay, folks, today's project, we're trying to get the hood mounted on the car. We had changed to a Sunoco hood. You might have seen it in some of the pictures. Of course, the challenge is the Zeus fasteners were already in place from the old hood. We don't want to change all that. So what we're doing today is we made these templates. We'll see how it works. We made them out of aluminum, and they fit to the fender. So some little tabs here, and then our plan is to lay this on top of the hood. We've opened up the holes where the Zeus fasteners go in. We'll get done making these. There's Randy over there drilling the holes, and we will lay these on top of the hood, and that will get us a template to drill the new hole. Also, in the process of that, we bought some new hood fasteners that are pretty cool, and I'll show you one of those if I can find them here. So it's I'm sure a bunch of you have seen the push button style. Just snaps on and off the hood. So each one of these are stainless and internals. They have 400 pounds of holding power. So if you've done the Zeus's before, you know you're sitting there with a screwdriver most of the time trying to get these things latched, and the little spring that goes underneath is bent and it doesn't fit, and it's just, you scratch the paint. With this outfit, it has a little bit of movement in it, and you just snap the hood down. So we'll see how all that turns out, and we will keep you informed.